IT for Change has organized a session here in Al-Ameen College of Education. It was a 5-day session.
So this entire workshop was really helpful, and it was loaded with a lot of information like websites and apps and techniques, how we need to use and how we need to amalgamate with our teaching.
That copyright session, that the lessons about copyright, all those things, it touched me very deep-heartedly, because I was not at all aware of those issues, those values to be maintained while using or while browsing or while using someone's data. That session, thought-provoking, and also a great concept have been veiled, or the curtain has been taken off in front of my eyes.
5 days of workshop is it was very effective, but I think so it can be like a 15 days or 20 days for especially for the teacher trainees.
The things about cyber security, where we all are considering our security, our value of our information has its own values. That session given such an alternative or such a lessons to be taken care of while using mobile applications or while browsing also, the important factors, what are the things we should taken care of.
By bringing in technology and creativity and energy and attention and retention. So this workshop has been really grateful.
Requested if we get more time for having this session with the deep understanding and one by one softwares like Ubuntu or concept mapping, Freeplane apps, everything, if they have given a detailed information, it was very good for me.
Going forward in the future, I would make use of all these apps, and especially in my class teachings.
I want to tell that the guidance which the team has given was very awesome, that they have provided us very good facilities, given the time was correctly utilized, and everyone were friendly and connecting to us and giving the suggestions, giving the guidance, solving the problems. Everything was very good.
I'm going to practice more on this because I will improve.
Effective learning, we need effective teachers, and so we got, and we are very glad to of each and every members.
I would like to thank whole team for giving such a wonderful knowledge as well as an experience for us. Thank you.